Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Let me show you today's date and time. So today is 18th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:21 am. So coming on to our today's trade. Traders, it was so quick that I was not able to record, but we are in that trade. And our risk reward is also not so good because the trade we took was in a hurry. So but okay, our risk reward is 0.8 and this is our target and stop loss. We were having stocks in our watch list were Bajaj Auto, Kotak Bank and SBI. So we have taken the trade in SBI. So let's place our target and stop loss. Okay traders, so let me place our stop loss, that is 198.60. As you can see, our risk reward is also not good, but it's okay. Let's place our target as well, that is 196.65. No, it's not 196.65, it's 195.45. Yes, so let me place it 195.45. So we have placed our target and a stop loss. Traders, here we are trying to capture a small momentum and small points. Let's see if it hits our target quick or not. So it is coming downside. Okay, we will wait. What happens here? So it is coming towards our target. Let's see. When traders, let me tell you that I have sold 90 quantities, you can see here. So now it's taking some momentum towards downside. So traders, now I am pausing the video, and when it will hit our target or stop loss, I'll update you. So traders, here you can see that it is showing some good price action. So what here we will do is that we will trail our stop loss to our cost price, so that either we will gain the profit or no profit. Okay traders, which means that we will not be getting any loss. So let me trail the stop loss towards the cost price. Okay, so I am trailing it. And modify. Okay traders, so here you can see that our stop loss has been trailed to our cost price. So either we will book the profit or no profit. Simple, no loss. But it is trying to come upside, and no, there are no chances of that. Okay, we have no worry about anything, as we will not book any kind of loss. So traders, here I am again pausing the video and I will update you after some time. So traders, here you can see it has triggered a stop loss. So no profit, no loss, simple. Okay traders, so since it's my rule that I only do one trade in a day, so that's for today. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.